Joan, wait for it. Wait for it. What are we doing? Where are we right now?
We are at Seoul Cafe having a cappuccino and croissant.
And we are heading where?
We are heading to find Jamie. We're searching for Jamie.
Yes, searching
you know
for.
who Jamie is?
No. Who is Jamie?
Jamie is an elephant, a retired elephant
In a sanctuary.
in a sanctuary, and we want to help Jamie. So we are searching for Jamie today, and hopefully we're going to find Jamie and we're going to meet.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
It's going to happen.
And we're going to help see what we can do to help feed him
One of the yes.
and take care of him.
And right now we are doing a little work at Seoul.
Yeah.
In the meantime, and then we're heading up.
And then we're going to head up. On the way, we're going to go take the coastal road
Yes.
past Lamai. Similar region.
Let's keep them hanging. Stay tuned.
Stay
Ciao.
tuned.
We love the music. Listen to the music. Cool, eh?
Yeah, that's cool music.
And we love the croissants. And the coffee is always good here. Oh,
I get my cappuccino with coconut milk.
choo, 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 choo. Beautiful, beautiful music.
Lovely morning.
Yeah, it's May Day. Always Wednesday's May Day. We always come. Every Wednesday we come to this place. Isn't that great?
Yeah, we've already had our swim today. Early
Yeah.
this morning, 8 o'clock, was beautiful, beautiful.
Swim. Ah, fantastic. Yes. Oh, can't beat it. Ciao.
Yeah.
Grandma Joan, great Grandma Joan. Haley, where are we, great Grandma Joan?
We're at the elephant sanctuary in Koh Samui, Thailand, and we're searching for Jamie right now.
Yes.
And they told us to wait here, and we're going to get driven to meet the guide, and he is going to take us to see Jamie.
So we're still searching.
Yeah, we're still searching.
So Haley, stay tuned.
Yep, stay tuned.
And this is the jungle. It's full. Wow. Beautiful.
All those beautiful trees.
Yeah.
Look like-
Coconut trees.
Those are, yes,
Yeah, we're in a coconut plantation. Look at all the coconuts up there. Wow.
all the way up to the top of the hill.
Yes. You can look all the way up the mountain. That's all coconut plantation. Beautiful. Wow. Look. We don't want to go on a tour. We just want to see the elephant and take some pictures and get a sponsorship for her. Haley, what's her name again? Haley John Kaler. Wow, pretty name. Ciao. Haley, did you know the difference between an African elephant and an Asian elephant? And your grandma, great-grandma, is going to go through them just to tell you the difference.
Okay, the Samui Elephant Sanctuary, Samui is in Thailand, and that's in Asia, okay? So they're telling us that the Asian elephant has these attributes, and the African elephant has those in comparison. So we'll
Correct.
go through them each one.
Yeah.
So on the top, the Asian elephant weighs between 3,000 and 6,000 kilograms, and the African elephant weighs 3,500 to 7,500 kilograms. So quite a bit larger, the African elephant. So, and the Asian elephant, the height is up to 3.5 meters, and the African elephant is up to 4 meters, so taller too. That one is taller.
Yes.
The Asian elephant has 2 domes on the head, and the African elephant has 1 dome.
Oh, that's only one dome.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
interesting if you look at the head.
Yes.
This is the Asian one.
Yeah.
So the ears are smaller on the African, so you can see the,
Oh,
for the
yeah.
Asian. See how small they are?
Yes,
And
compared
the
to...
African elephant has big, huge
Yes.
ears.
Okay.
And the back is rounded. So
Oh, yeah, you can
there
see.
you can see it's rounded.
And the,
And the African doesn't, is concave. And
oh,
goes
yeah,
down.
I see that.
Okay, and then the Asian elephant, the gestation period is 18 to 22 months, and that's to have a baby.
Right.
Takes that long.
Yes.
And the African elephant, it takes the same 18 to 22 months
They're the same.
to have a baby. Yeah,
Right.
gestation means to have a baby.
Yes.
And the Asian elephant, the tip of the trunk has 1 little finger, which I guess that's what they need.
That's right. That's right.
And then the tip of the trunk on the African one has 2. One on
2
the top
fingers. Yeah.
and the bottom.
Interesting. Wow.
Okay, and then the Asian elephant, only male elephants have tusks,
Oh.
but not
really?
all. Some males and females grow small tusks like teeth called tushes.
And what about the big African one?
The African one, both male and females have tusks. Not all females grow tusks. So those are the tusks.
So,
These are the tusks.
so
This is the Asian elephant. So interesting to see the differences.
yeah, I really like that.
Yeah, very
Yes.
good.
And what do you want to say to Haley?
Haley?
We're still searching?
Still searching. We still haven't gotten anywhere near Jamie yet, but we are searching, and
We're going to get there.
sure we will get there. We talked to the guy that's going to come and
Yes.
get us on the phone,
Yes.
and he said, wait
Yes.
for another hour, and they will bring you
So,
to me.
so in other words, Haley,
Searching.
stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Haley, this is a great experience for your great grandma and grandpa. We're having a ball. We're still looking for Jamie. And maybe another half hour. Now we're going to have a little water and soon we're going to check out the jungle just for you. our guide's name is,
My name is Ja.
how do you spell it?
J.A. Ja.
J. Oh, perfect. Joan. I'm Harry. And Chloe, our granddaughter, we're telling her that we're going to go with Jay, our tour guide, or our guide, to go and Haley. Chloe and Haley. And we're going to go and see, and we're still searching for Jamie, correct?
Yeah.
Ciao.
We're going to find Jimmy. Right?
We're gonna go find Jamie.
Yeah.
Yes.
See about her life. You know
thank
how
you.
she has her life here with us. Right?
Perfect.
Also, you guys gonna present.
Ah,
Jimmy also.
love that. Fantastic. Great.
Okay.
Well, let's go. Ciao.
Yeah.
Well, we just picked up those bananas. Yes. They go and feed.
The main food for elephant here. Right? That is the pineapple leaf, like pineapple tree. Right? We order that 6 tons every 3 days.
Oh, 6 tons
Tons every 3 days.
for the to feed the pineapple.
Yeah.
Wow,
For the elephant here, for the main food for them.
that's a lot of.
It's a lot of food every day that they eat. They eat a lot every day. They eat 10% their body weight.
Whoa,
Every day.
Oh, that's a lot.
That's
this
cool.
It's just like a treat for them.
This is a treat.
It's a treat.
Banana.
Oh,
Yeah. Pipe.
That's just a snack.
All the fruit is like snack for them.
Yes.
Yeah, the snack. So they
Perfect.
eat a lot.
Full of little bananas.
Banana bag.
Ciao.
Two of them, that's her best friend. The
Oh.
BFF.
Nice.
Oh, fantastic. So Jamie's on the left.
Yeah, Jimmy on the left.
Yes.
Oh, hey. It's Jimmy.
This is Jimmy. Jamie. Fantastic. Wow. Well, Haley, this is your friend. This is Jamie. We finally found her. No, John? We're not looking for her anymore.
One at a time. They eat.
Oh, wow.
Here, Jimmy. Come on. There we go. Yeah, two ladies. We have this like a female world. Yeah, female world. It's no male here, only female. No male, only female. Yes. Hey, Jimmy. They're always hungry, Jimmy.
Always hungry? Let me sit over here. That a girl. Wow. Haley, too bad you're not here, Haley. Wow.
Then now they do very good. They enjoy their life pretty much right now. You can touch her trunk also. You can feel Jimmy. Yeah, you can feel her.
Yeah, you picked that up. Way to go, James. Jamie. Nice. I think you ever think of you feeding elephants, Johnny?
And this you do every day.
Yeah.
You do.
Every day. They have treat every day. They eat a lot of food every day.
They eat a lot.
Wow.
Look,
Oh, pail full. James, you're hungry. No.
it's like a real eating machine right here.
Wow.
Yeah, eating machine.
Oh, oh, fantastic, James. Oh, wow. Oh, yes, that's nice eyes. Wow.
It's all gone.
The black tea and all gone.
Right. They eat food 10% of the food.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So they came from the north, Thailand,
Jimmy,
Jamie,
she come from the north. She come from Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai.
Ah.
And this one?
This one she come from Kanchanaburi.
And where is that?
Kanchanaburi, the city very close to Bangkok.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We lived to her during COVID. During COVID time.
Oh, okay.
2020.
2019.
Yeah,
So
2020.
they've both been here 5 years?
Yeah. That one almost from beginning when we opened this project.
Oh, when did you open?
We opened here January 2020.
Ah,
Okay.
fantastic. Well, this is quite something. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Yes.
They go on their own. Yeah, anytime.
Oh,
Yeah, go their own together.
wow. Isn't that nice? Amazing. So they cool off anytime they want.
Anytime they want. Anytime they want.
Perfect.
This person and
What's your name?
the person.
Noi?
Noi.
And
Tay.
Tay? How do you
Noi
spell?
and Tay.
Noi and Ted.
How do you
Tay.
spell it? Say.
T-A-Y.
Tay
Yeah, Tay.
and Noi.
And Noi.
Yeah. So
Oh.
they've come along with the elephants to make sure that we're safe.
Yeah.
But otherwise, normally they come and go into the school.
When they feel
They
like.
can feel it. They can get in the water anytime they want
Yeah.
when they feel it. When they're hot, everything.
Yeah.
Right? And also, when there's no customer, everything, the air can just roam free on their own.
Everywhere.
Right? Everywhere up there, in the bush, everything around there, they can go wherever they want.
So
They're free to walk
they're-
around.
yeah, so
How many
they're
hectares do you have?
In here we have about 25 acres.
25 acres. So about
acres.
about 12 hectares. Very good. You work in acres, obviously?
Yeah,
No.
we work in acres. Yes.
Well, Jamie, we're going to say goodbye.
No,
No, this is Jamie here.
Jamie.
Yeah, that's
Sit down with their friends.
Oh, that's yeah.
Yes. You want to go say goodbye to Jamie? Go grab him. Go grab him.
You can come. Yeah. You can come with me.
Joan, don't be such a pussy. There you go. Okay, ciao.
About 1 year and 2 months ago.
So, Jamie is 54 years
Jamie
old?
is 57.
57 years old?
Yes. From down to 54.
64? 54.
54.
Wow.
And
How old do they get?
It's same like us, 70 to 80.
oh,
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very like us.
yeah.
Oh, so they're going to have a nice long life here.
Yeah. And
Beautiful.
They just have to chill, relax, enjoy the
Yeah.
life. Because this elephant, they have been working all their life before.
See, we went to Chiang Mai and we went to a place where they were riding them and they had chains on their feet. We did not like.
Yeah, but now
This-
here,
Now here,
they're free.
This is freedom.
they're
Yeah.
rescued.
Freedom 57 and Freedom 54. Back home in Canada, we have a saying when you retire, Freedom 55.
Freedom 25. And yeah, you need like a retirement plan.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect.
The retirement village.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the beautiful retirement
Like
village.
a 5-star hotel too.
No.
They have the pool.
Yes,
They
exactly.
have free food all day.
Yeah.
They have the
Oh.
mud spa for them also.
You need some Thai girls in bikinis, no?
We have a fixed signal right here.
Yes, perfect. Ciao.
Bye-bye.
Ciao, ciao. Well, here's Grandma going up slowly. with the guide, holding her hand. Do that again.
This one?
The sense of smell.
Actually, I have it smell very well. Very good.
And they remember people.
They remember us. They remember everything. They have a good sense of it. They never forget. They haven't. Today, if you feed them the food,
Yes.
they remember you're a good person.
Ah,
We come next time. They may come to you to tell the food again.
ah,
They know that.
fantastic.
Yeah, okay.
And their feet.
The feet have a good sense of the vibration.
So
Right? They know earthquake, volcano. even
with
though-
earthquake, they take off.
Yeah, they know. They understand that.
Wow.
Right? They can smell 15 kilometers away.
No,
Yes.
fantastic.
They have very good sense of that.
Fascinating.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
Yeah, and
See.
he said that
They will remember. No problem.
Very completely.
completely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
And you know, like when you feed them every day, you can trust you. They give you a trust.
Yeah.
That's how
Yeah,
you
that's
trust with the app and just have food.
Oh,
They will
okay.
trust you.
perfect.
Food, feed everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too.
Yeah.
Food, I like. So,
Is it okay if we can give you?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
100 for you
Don't have, you can.
and for your friends,
Oh, down there.
the other two friends.
You to them. Yes. Thank you so much, and God, thank you.
Ciao, 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 ciao.
Can you have some water? Everything over there.
We have water right here.
Oh, you have water already.
Yeah. So, 72, what's the name of this one?
Sudha.
Sudan.
Sudha.
And where was she from?
She's from Phuket.
Phuket.
Phuket. She used to be working for the riding there.
Oh,
She had a broken back.
oh,
Oh no.
but now it's freedom.
And now
Good.
she had a
Oh
broken
yeah, I
spine.
see. And it's fixed now or okay?
It's okay now. They happened long time ago.
Oh, okay.
When she was working for the lobby.
But 72?
Yeah.
72 years old?
70 years.
I'm 75, so
Can be different.